Crayola invites you to celebrate creativity. Welcome to Create to Learn Projects, STEAM. Why move and sketch? Physical activity helps our brains work. That's why creative movement and sketching are natural ways to learn about STEAM: science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. In this activity, you will explore outdoors to observe natural and human-made machine movement patterns. Then present your sketches and discuss the STEAM concepts of energy, force, motion, and systems. You will need colored pencils, crayons, sketch paper, a clipboard or a firm surface. Respond. Let's explore energy by observing things that move, such as wind, clouds, swings, cars, and people. How are each of these moving? Fast or slow? Smoothly or rough? On the ground or in the air? Create. A group of friends will form pairs of movers and sketchers. One person imagines being the wind, clouds, swings, and so on, and creates those body movements. The other person sketches their partner's movements, showing many shapes and positions as movements change. In a few minutes, switch roles so everyone can explore moving and sketching. Present. As pairs present their sketches, discuss the movements using science and art words, such as energy, balance, space, motion, observe, show, natural and human-made. Connect. Energy is a force that causes motion. We can see it everywhere and show it in the ways we dance and draw. Use art and creative movement to represent other STEAM ideas, such as tinker, find, grow, and rotate. STEAM is everywhere. We can use our bodies and art to understand big ideas and show what we are thinking.